Welcome back, friends. And if in your phone, Android phone, you have problem of disconnecting Wi-Fi or dropping calls, or your mobile data is just not working, you are not alone. There are many persons who are facing these issues. In this video, I am going to tell you the most common reason behind Android connectivity issue and how to fix them quickly. So, not wasting much of our time. If you are new to the channel and you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So connectivity issues can include Wi-Fi disconnecting randomly, mobile data not working even with the good signals, Bluetooth device not pairing, apps not connecting to the internet despite of having online. This is really annoying, especially when you need a stable internet for calls, streaming, or work. So here are some common causes for this connection problem. Maybe there is software bug after a system update, weak or unstable signal in your mobile location, interference from the other devices or network, corrupt network setting or outdated drivers, battery saver or data saver modes, cutting off the background connections. So one by one we will explain in this video how to deal with these problems. First thing, restart everything. Means if your Wi-Fi is not connecting, then restart the routers. Okay, just power off and on it. Restart your phone. Okay, this alone can fix 50% of random disconnecting issues. And if after doing this your phone have still that problem, then just toggle this aeroplane mode, turn it off and turn it on. Turning it off and on may get the problem solved. Please note, you have to 10 to 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds in that aeroplane mode, and after waiting 20-30 seconds, turn it on. And if you have done this and it is still not working, then go to the setting, and here in Wi-Fi, just you have if it is in the remembered network, just try to forget it, and then just reconnect it, and reconnecting it may got your problem of Wi-Fi solved. So forget network and then reconnect. I will show how to do this. I will show practically. Okay, go to the setting and then Wi-Fi and then this network and then forget network. Okay, now network has gone, and then reconnect it. Whatever after doing this, if it is still not working, then go to the setting again and search for reset, and here in reset, just this reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. This will reset all network setting including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Remember, only the saved password of Wi-Fi and if any other network related password is there, that will be deleted. You have to re-enter the Wi-Fi password again. So after doing this setting, 80% of the persons have claimed that their problem have been solved. So do this and then go back, and if your problem is still there, then go to the setting and check for any software update. If system update, and just update it, and after updating it, if your problem is getting solved, then okay. Otherwise, go to the setting and then go to the battery, and here in battery put it in balance mode. If it is in battery saver mode, just remove that mode and then try your problem may get solved. If it is still coming, then and factory data reset is only option, but I will not suggest. In case your mobile data is not working, then maybe a sim issue. Just go to the here, it is turn on or on. If it is on, then mobile data issue will not come. Your network provider is giving the data to you, your data packets are there or not. So these are the things. Your sim card is properly inserted or not. Remove the sim card and check for any dust particle is there. After doing all the things, if it is not working, then you need to go to the service center and check for any hardware issue. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.